guys.
What's up, chat? E-Money YouTube. What's up, Money's YouTube? We taking over her YouTube for today.
We looking at a mess right now, but don't worry about it. Rock on.
Nah, not right.
Okay, but we're gonna be recording a video without her knowing, basically. But she's obviously gonna find out sooner or later,
Right.
but she don't know right now. So
We finna be.
but we finna be whipping in the kitchen. Yeah, wait. I'm in the kitchen and I'm whipping. What? Seasoning that chicken. Hey.
Finger licking.
I
I don't even remember the rest, but yeah.
But we're finna be in the kitchen. And
We finna make some.
we gotta be quiet. You're like in macaroni
And
cornbread.
cornbread. But
We finna.
we don't have no milk.
No. No milk at all. So we finna eat.
We finna
Water.
use water.
But we seen the video on TikTok and the lady, it came out pretty.
It came out pretty edible looking.
Yeah. Cornbread looking.
Right.
Bread looking. But
We finna be making our own cornbread.
yeah.
You know?
So
One be sweet, one be salty.
no. We gonna make it how we make it and see who turns out better.
Okay.
She trying to be no. We going to get each other. Okay.
Okay.
So
We're gonna add the egg.
yeah, I gotta think about what I want my cornbread to taste like. But come on, where my egg at? You're not gonna.
Wait, I gotta crack it in both ones. So, you know? And then I'm gonna give us the dough. She said make it into dough.
So while she's doing that, I'm gonna think about what I want to put in there.
I know there's somebody who loves me. Somebody who really loves me. And that's all I need. We in Miami turning up another night. We smoking broccoli, but she smelling like a rat. Popping up pennies, trying to get out in a crack. Friends are my friends, and they trying to get gas. Her name is Angel, but she's far from God. Say they don't pay well to fall in love. Must be the stars, but something's lighting up. Not my exit was bad, but you find out. Oh, no. Yeah. Somebody who loves me in the building. Somebody who feels me in the building. We throw 50,000 in the ceiling. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. We in Miami turning up another night. We took the trophy, let the shorties take a yacht. We all in Santos, I rented out the spot. Friends are my friends and they tryna get God. Her name is Angel, but she must forgot. She said her bestie wanna get home and swap. I said I'm shy, baby, and that's doing a lot. I'm tryna do more than bust down your wide. I need somebody who gon' meet me at the top. Who's out there for me? Who's out there for me? Who's out there for me?
Just know it involves these strawberries. And they look pretty.
I'm not saying nothing. Y'all go see.
Somebody who loves me in the building. Somebody who feel me in the building. We throw 50,000 in the ceiling. Oh, yeah. I know there's somebody who loves me. Somebody.
We're going for it. Sweet. No, y'all was coming down on you. Don't ask, okay?
Tangy and sweet. All right, buddy.
Okay.
We want to see cinnamon toast cornbread. Nah, we having a cornbread cookie something.
Right.
Hey, tangy and sweet. Don't question me. You see what I'm doing.
Y'all see my hair? You see how she looking?
Don't fling it too much. I don't want to hear my stuff.
She's
Okay, Trippy Red. Right here. But here, just hit the phone. Why would you say that? This is my funny bone. Now I gotta be extra funny.
Dang, Imani coming too. Damn.
It's okay.
Ew.
Both of y'all go back.
Wine in it?
No.
Candy and sweet.
Cornbread cooking competition.
And y'all gonna be the judges.
No, I'm not.
It's okay. We can be a gentleman.
I'm not eating Ayana. She put a line in it. That's quick.
You don't want to eat mine either. I'm pretty. Oh, I can't even tell you.
Just because you see my ingredients like that.
Right, it might be good.
Right. I'm gonna go add a little bit because we don't want it to be too limey, you know?
What's the name?
We don't want the lime to be overpowered. Now we're just gonna mix the lime in there. Imani.
Mixing lime and a coconut.
Chicken roll with the
Lime and a coconut. The lime and the coconut.
I forgot something.
The truth beneath your lies. True love never has to hide. Trade your broken wings for mine. Trade your broken wings for mine. I've seen your scars and kissed your crying. Your scars and kissed your crying. Many people that I know they just trying to touch you. Kiss up and rub up and fill up. Kiss up and rub up and fill up on you. You sometimes prove that I can trust you. Again, I'm gonna kiss up and rub up and fill up. Kiss up and rub up and fill up on you all night.
She's trying to pour my ingredient in for me. Why would you do that, honey bun?
Only thing he's working together on is his macaroni.
Right. That is what we gotta make sure comes out. Boom. That's a lot of peanut butter. So I might have to use more check.
Now that this bitch girlfriend talk some shit. Look at this shit. I want you to listen to this.
That's what
And don't say that to her again.
Nah. You overly bogus. It's cool, because they gonna be tasting like the same. Damn it. You don't want to be different? With your lime.
I just want to add a little bit.
Heating up a little bit. You think I'm really gonna sit here and do that? That's gonna go right through that plate. Stuffing meal, 101. I never did this before. I'm just trying stuff. That's a real small piece. Look, it seem like you're gonna.
Because I don't want it to taste like peanut butter. I just want it to, you know,
No, I don't.
blend in with the cinnamon toast crunch taste. Type stuff. I'm gonna wash the pan.
Mine. What about yours?
Hers look like some bull crap.
What about yours and yours? Yeah. Oops, mine is. Oops, I just put it in there. Mine is supposed to be protein. You eat them before you hit the gym.
This one has you on the
Yeah,
phone.
let me give these to my dad. Well, I got these from this store. They said they protein muffins.
Be like, I thought about you. Yeah.
Think we should do something crazy.
This what's up when he just quit his job?
Stuff looks so watery. It don't even look like cornmeal.
Run away.
She got a pick.
Because my stuff's not really dry.
Okay, it's not gonna be dry.
It's thick and stiff like that. Yeah, it'll be thick and dry.
My stuff gonna be dry.
But mine got more than yours because mine not thick and dry.
I don't know if she's just like raping me to bring some more water.
Yeah.
I'm gonna, put my muffins in.
It's a competition.
Right, I can't take advice from you.
Sure can. I want
Nayana, come over and tell me whose would you eat now? I don't know.
What the fuck, man? Smell that peanut butter?
Her shit look like hot dog shavings.
That's the jelly, dude. Shit. It's gonna taste better in your mouth. You too bad.
Should I leave some water in?
No, take them out. Take it all out.
Okay.
Yo, you should. You gotta rinse them out.
Hello. Is it recording? Am I? Are we lit? I guess. Push the tip up. All up in it.
I thought you was what's the name? Putting my stuff in the pan now.
Oh yeah.
Girl. You mind if you turn this? Down. The eye. You good? What? No, turn it off. Hey, you know what I mean by that? The edit, the smackdown sound.
No. This is my muffin. Y'all can't see.
Oh, I forgot to show you.
This is mine. Maya didn't ate it all. It's pretty somewhat busty.
She thought she was gonna get a taste of mine.
It just tastes like regular cornbread. If I'm being honest.
Oh my god, this is so cute. Look at the wallpaper. That's so cute.
She put us in that TikTok too. You seen it?
For real? It's so
So we kind of ate the macaroni.
Oh.
I forgot to show y'all. We ate the macaroni. Y'all could tell that was busting.
We did put the cheese in and bunched out.
Here's mine. Y'all can see those crispy ones looking. These are the normal looking ones. Okay, can we taste each other's now? Is it cool?
It's mine too. I have enough, but which one?
Okay, you see mine over here looking like what is that, muffins? The muffins that come in four.
You like? I know you lying. I know you lying. I know you lying. I know you lying.
This is nasty.
I know she lying. Y'all see the face? Nah. Okay. Which one can I get? I'm glad I'm gonna get this.
Not this one.
What takes you?
Not this one. Not
Or you
this
keep
one.
it takes you?
I don't know.
See? Still stuck at the bottom.
It's good. It's good, ain't it? You might get so nasty. Her residue left in my mouth.
Who wants it? You want it? No, what you want? You want it? It's only a little bit.
You know what water?
Anyway, in the feet.
Come out the faucet.
Is you cold?
I just dumped some.
What was this to? Watch out. You really that hungry?
I threw my thing with it.
Nope, my boy did not.
Yeah. Ooh, this is delicious. I think my friend cut me off, though.
Yeah. Come on, man. When's that time to think that's great?
Right, we trying to clean up, Imani?
No, you got 2 minutes.
You got done? No.
She putting her edges out. I got her face. Okay, get some.
Go on, girl. But my friends just cut me off. Wow.
What cream are you here, big bro?
I know.
Put a little big.
My points are always been big, though, but okay. You might have shut the front door.
I know I'm gonna win. Look at me. I'm chef. I need to get back now. Right? Come on, yo, let's bust a TikTok. Quit it. Alright. Would it be weird if I wanted to go outside? Would it be weird if I wanted to go outside?
What's up, Thing Gang? It's your girl, Yana, and they're trying to make me eat this nasty shit, and I'm not going. Just to let y'all know, I'm not eating that nasty shit, so you will not be seeing me try that. Oh, look at my room from this angle. Oh my God, this looks like make my room look so small. Oh. You can see my whole room. Dang, go see all this here stuff here. You got my big head. Get to that mess. Anyways, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next vlog. Can I end this? Can I end this? She didn't tell me if I can end this, so I'm not gonna end it. But I'm getting my hair iced by the baddest. Y'all see? Then y'all see. Y'all don't even know. I'm so ready for this hairstyle. It feels so toasty in here now. It's not so chilly. I like this. I like this. I like it. I like it.
Bring me some water. Cold water.